Yesterday, Alex had a busy school day. He woke up early because he had a math test. After breakfast, he walked to the bus stop and waited for the school bus. When the bus arrived, he got on and talked with his friends. At school, Alex took the math test and then went to English class. He answered many questions and wrote a short paragraph. At lunch, he ate pizza and drank juice in the cafeteria. The food was good, but the room was noisy. In the afternoon, Alex played basketball with his classmates. When he came home, he felt tired but happy. He did his homework, watched some TV, and went to bed early.